Trading is a scam. Do you think trading is a scam? Wait till the end of this video to find out. I'm going to be sharing you my own personal experience. But before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching our video right now, click on the subscribe button and don't just subscribe, also put on the notification as you can see on your screen and also smash the like button. Check the description of this video to join our channel, follow us on Twitter, all our social media, follow. So let's get started and let's continue, guys. Do you actually believe trading is a scam? Personally, I'm to answer that question with a yes or no. I will say trading is not a scam. I will say trading is one of the best and the easiest way to make money if you know what you are doing. Let me tell you something. Trading is an advanced gambling. Advanced gambling. You are still gambling, not like you are betting. But it's advanced in the sense that you have to put in your own, you have to use your own hand to do yourself. Meaning that you have to use your hand or your skills or your brain to analyze the market. And based on your analysis, which you can be wrong, you can be correct. Based on how good you are, don't forget that even professional traders lose money. I personally also lose trades. So don't think that you can be 100% accurate in the market. There's one thing you should know that trading is a game of probability, meaning that if you have a high chance strategy or a high chance of winning on a particular trade, you will end up being profitable. If your analysis is poor, you have a low chance of winning. You might end up with a lost trade. And some people, they don't have any idea about analysis, but they just look at the chart and they just make a guess that the price is going up and they will still make profit. Some people make a guess, they make a wrong guess and they make loss. So the question now is, like I said, don't forget that nobody knows 100% probability that it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Everything is based on game of chance, meaning probability, which is anything that is probability is gambling. But like I said, it's an advanced gamble. So meaning that if you're a trader, you are still a gambler because you are still placing a risk based on probability. But I will say I'm a gambler also because I'm a trader. I trade Forex, I trade crypto. I make money from it. Yes, irrespective, I'm still a gambler in an advanced way. So that's it. But trading is not a scam. If you have the right skills, you know what you need to do, even you don't even need your money to trade. You can apply for a pro firm account and start making money from it. So which means that if you have the right skills today, if you have the right skills, have the right tools, have the right knowledge, you can become profitable and make money and start trading full time. But I will advise you, never, never, never leave your job as a beginner saying you want to start trading fully when you don't even know whether you are profitable, you don't even have a profitable strategy, you don't even know how the market works, but you heard that trading is profitable, that people make money from it. You follow those social media influencers that are just selling calls and they don't even know anything about being profitable on the chart. Use your sense in the sense that don't quit your full-time job yet. Be profitable first, then quit the job. Meaning that you must have a profitable knowledge, a profitable strategy, a profitable skills in the market. Be profitable and then quit job. That one is a way for you. If trading doesn't work for you, maybe because you are doing FOMO, or maybe because you think you lack some impatience in you, or maybe you lack some impatience in you, that you can't wait for trades to come to or align with your setup. You keep blowing your account, you keep losing money, then you know that trading is not for you. Because in trading, you have to be patient. Very, very patient. Impatient people lose account. Impatient people lose money. Don't just believe that trading is like what they show you on social media. that you can turn $5 to $5,000 in 2 days or in one day. It's possible. I didn't say it's not possible, but it's not as easy as you think. So trading is not about running. It's about you taking step by step, master what you need to know, and become a master at it. Just like someone that is reading a book page, just a single page, every time, same day, same time, same hour. There'll be a time he doesn't need to even read the whole book again, read the same page again because he already knows everything on the head. That's just exactly how trading is. You need to familiarize yourself with the market, coming to the market, analyzing it, and over time, we find out that the money is just right the corner. All you have to do, just pick up your mouse, analyze the market, and what? Start making money. That will be all for today. If you want more video like this, let me know in the comment section and like the video. Thank you very much. God bless you. The market trading loves you.